the effect which that particular thing have on that series. And that's the reason why today we are talking about measurement of what? Of trend. How we can measure the effect of what? Trend, before we can then talk about removing this effect of what? Of trend from the time series what? Observations now, in order to carry out time series what? Analysis. That's what we have on the board today, measurement of what? Of a trend. Okay? There are various ways through which trend can be what? Can be measured. And those various ways are: number one, talk about number one, what we call the freehand or graphical method. Freehand, free hand, or graphical method. Graphical method. We equally have number two. In the number two, we have what we call semi-average method. Semi-average method. Semi-average method. And then in the number three, we have what we call the moving average method. Moving average method. Moving average method. And then the fourth one, we have what we call the least square method, or what we call method of least square, whichever way you put it. Least square method. Square method. These are ways through which we can measure the effect of what? Of a trend in time series what? Data or observation. Okay, today in this class, we are going to look at the freehand method and equally look at what? At semi-average method. So in case you are asked to enumerate method or ways through which we can measure trend in time series what? Analysis, you talk about the freehand, you talk about the semi-average method, you talk about the moving average method, and you talk about the least square method. But then we want to take them one after the other and discuss them. So today we are looking at the freehand or graphical method. We are equally going to look at the semi-average method. Then these two, we are now going to have a separate class for it because it's a little bit larger in terms of what? Outline. So permit me to clean this one